Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make my version of an egg drop soup. So first you crush up the ramen like so. I use chicken. You can use whatever kind of ramen you have. Take the packet off. Get the water boiling, then you can put the ramen into it. Now, I know it may seem a little bit like a lot, but I always set the timer. It's supposed to be for 3 minutes, if I actually get there. Once I get that boiling, I'll throw in the flavoring. So once that's going good, I come over here and I get the egg. Now this is really not egg drop soup because I'm not going to cook the whole egg. I'm going to whisk it. So you want to add some pepper, some salt. And it may seem like a lot, but it's a raw egg. And then you just whisk it up. Now what I'm hoping is that as I whisk this, the ramen will be done at the same time. Okay. So we got about 2 minutes here. Once that timer goes off, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so the timer's going to go off here any second. Okay, so it's pretty much done. It's got the 3 minutes, but you don't take it off. At this point, you take your egg that you've whisked and you just kind of drop it very lightly in places that it's boiling. And then you go back once other places start to boil. And you just want to do kind of a light drizzle. Just put it to the side, let it sit for a minute, and there you have our egg drop soup.